Thank you for joining us today on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and today's episode is all about life hacks for digital content creators. If you wanted to set up a lighting system, voice-activated lighting system, go from something like this, computer studio on, to something like this without busting the budget, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Man, I would just want to say that this was really an unexpected amount of fun that I had setting up these lights. It is something that I had sitting around the house, just kind of playing around with my Alexa device, and that's what you're going to need. You're going to need an Alexa device, like a Dot or an Echo Full. I think you can still use the older ones, but for less than $40, you can get an Alexa Dot. And then buy your Wi-Fi enabled LED bulbs that are compatible with Alexa, and you're essentially up and running. Now, I just happen to have some of those light stands that you get with your basic photography kit. That kit only cost me around $20 when I got it years ago on Amazon as well. The bulbs, a 4-pack, could cost you about $18. So really under $100, you can have a voice activated system where you can change the intensity of the lights, where you can change the colors of the lights, because these are multicolored bulbs, and you can just have fun. Like if you look behind me, I got my key light set to red. So let's play with that right now. Computer, key light white. All right, computer, backlight, white. See the difference in those colors? So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my preset, what I had each one of these lights at, but I'm going to turn off everything first. Computer, studio off. And just like that, all three of the lights, the key light, the accent light, and the backlight are off. Now, I've already set a preset on my Alexa device with all the color arrangements that I want, and you can play around with that as you see fit. Computer studio on. So you'll notice after a couple of seconds that, as my camera adjusted, you can see the lights kind of come into effect. And like I said, it's a lot of fun, and it didn't cost anything. If you like this kind of content, let me know. I'll add it to the Black Investments Matter, because actually I'm saving a lot of money by not busting my budget with a lot of expensive equipment that, will net me something that might translate well over a 4K video. But really, hey, if you can get away with it, get away with it. Talk to you soon.